Don't look like no 3 to 5 inches, I'll tell you that much. Got ripped off.
T-Bird? You want battle?
It's like, I'm not looking at you. Shut up. I just remembered that I gotta work tonight. Having a hard time keeping the fire going. It is that cold. And I'm out of wood for the most part. Do a little bit more today. It's freaking cold and wet and muddy. It sucks. We can go through here now. Past the tractor, I'm gonna use all this for like kindling and stuff. That's why I'm saving it. But it'll make good kindling because it's really dry and dead. Yeah, buddy. I'll show you from the top. Easier to tell. Yeah, got all the way down the hill. It's good stuff. But now you can at least walk past the tractor and get through. So that's pretty cool. You can kind of see how bad a shape that barn's in. A little rough looking. So that'll be a massive undertaking. I don't even know where you get barn wood. But yeah, I'm gonna get that metal detector running down through here at some point when I get it cleared out enough. So I still got more to do going that way and get all that out. But it's going a little faster now because for some reason the stuff in here was smaller. I don't know if it's just because of the canopy or what, but this is mostly stuff that I'll have to get with the chainsaw, the big things. But all down through there I can get with that whirly blade. Can't wait till this weather changes because it sucks. It's been snowing on and off all day. It's great. But I gotta work tonight and tomorrow night and the next night. Thank God tonight's only 8 hours. The next 2 nights are gonna be 12s. I just finished working all weekend, and apparently today was a nice day, and I had to sleep through it. Doing the milks. Lucy.
Lucy, you're gonna get right in the way, girl. Good girl. See, it only takes her a minute.
Butter's a pro.
No stutter now.
Hi, buddy. Want some coffee? Oh, I didn't think you'd actually drink it. Damn it.
Okay.
Look at Butter. He'll be like that.
Put up over there.
Hey, the way you work it up. Nothing new. Whoa!
Take it. Okay.
We'll be here all day. I'll do one at a time if you want to act like that.
What are you doing?
Lucy, you better get away from the pig. She's chewing on Mama. What in the world? Mama, you gonna take her in? Oh my goodness.
Or the one I made.
Lucy was chewing on her.
I'm already losing sun. Temperature's dropping like a rock. I mean, it was nice when I first came out, and that's like an hour ago, and now it's just getting extremely cold. Temperature just plummets as soon as the sun's leaving. It starts thinking about setting. It's crazy. I gotta burn trash. Already losing the sun. Getting dark. So, trash fire. Not really campfire. Mostly trash. So I woke up at like 3:30 this morning. Yeah, couldn't sleep. Or I did sleep some. I slept like 3 hours maybe. But because I you know, slept all day yesterday from working all night the night before. I couldn't sleep all night last night. It's like 8:38 right now in the morning. It's early for me usually, but not so much relatively speaking. Third shift is rough, man. It's all good. At least I'm up early enough to get a lot of daytime hours. I just hope I can stay on my feet all day. We'll find out. I'm not starting a fire yet because I don't want to hear Rusty yell and scream. Nope. I can't trust you to not scream at the sky. Yep. That's your decision. I don't care. You can chew on it all you want. You're not getting it yet. I can't trust you. If you become a good dog, then that'd be a different story. Really? You're stuck on a vine? You don't know. I'm not helping you. Not. Good luck. Go figure it out, buddy. Yeah. Figure it out. Wait for it. There it is. I think I'm about to try and get the chainsaw out. Just burning trash real quick. Hopefully the chainsaw's not too hard to start. It's been a while since we've had it going. Like a long while. So, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. No, leave that alone. You don't need that. You don't need that. You have dog food. You don't need to eat those. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely backwards. It was cut worse than before. Tidy whitey.
Not enough.
It's not gonna come off, is it?
No.
Whew. Hot. Wasn't it just the other day I did a video in the snow? Just wondering. T-Bag, what'd it do, cuz? I do? T-Bag. You don't have to do what those ducks tell you. So as you can see, chainsaw's fixed. Just got that chopped. Check it out. Yeah, can now walk through here all the way up past the tractor. Could almost drive the tractor out of here. Almost. Still some big trees in the way. Then I cut back through here some more too. Here's a golf ball. Huh. Getting it done. Look at her galloping. Oh, you better not. What you gonna do, buddy? Bet that hurt.
Good. You learned.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'm done. Oh, hey, wow.
Come on. Look at it, Doc.
I got a little hot today and need all the water, Pigo.
She's going after the chickens. Butter.
Concentrating. She's trying to let her milk out.
Poor T-Bird just can't win any fights. I think it's just big enough. Oh, she figured it out.
No, not yet. That head's still stubborn.
Close. She's close. She's on to something.
Oh, Butters, don't even act like you want in here. If you want in here, we'll put you back on the stand.
Oh God, easy. Went in with a vengeance. She don't know it's me. You want battle, T-Bird? Still feeling that last one. Oh, you don't want none now. Done. Oh yeah, you tough. Made it through the whole day. Still on my feet. I don't know how, but I am.